Convenience devices are become more and more messy, not to mention plug-in cards will not be used anymore. Now a multifunctional desktop can be all done with cards. Here is looking forward to rabbits discovering novel digital technology goodies is this desk that is very popular abroad Kashi Dianchu desktop workstation. First of all, it is display that increases the price. The left leg of stainless steel is placed on the desktop which is stable and stable. It is also equipped with 4 small table legs which can be adjusted according to the individual needs. Secondly, it is a professional desktop power distribution. The system has national standard sockets for USB charging ports and 2 wireless charging areas can supply power to 14 devices. Open the gun to add your power supply and put all the messy grants in. Combined with a whole row of cable management slots, realized desktop wireless phone, it is also equipped with a showless light strip in front of it. You can adjust the brightness of sun and even a small range of one-stop solution to your desktop equipment, power supply and bottom line enhancement. Is your desktop also leaking a 6? Will the watch price also affect the product?